Okay, this is the unboxing of the RD-01 ordered from Wiggle. And let's see what we got here. Not too bad, feels pretty light. Not as light as I would expect, but RD-01. Well, this is the 58 centimeter model. Looks nice. Look at that. Not too shabby. Take it off as the whole piece. Alright. Look at that. Not too shabby. Well packed. A little bit of dust from the trip over here. Ordered from the UK, but looks good. Yeah, it looks fantastic actually. I think I will have no complaints. RD-01. Alright, so let's go weigh it. So I'm gonna hold it here. 1.8 kilograms. Fork coming in at 700 grams. So 2.5 kilograms altogether, not too shabby. And once I get everything else prepared, I'll go on to the bike build. Alright, it's time to do my bike build. I got my new frame, and I got my old bike here, my Lamborghini, which is really just a cheap Taiwanese steel frame. It's quite heavy actually, so I think it's about 9 pounds. And I'll show you the process. I'll do it on a time lapse so you don't get bored. Enjoy. finished switching the frame out, so here's the final product. Alright, so I used the original carbon fork, and by original I mean the one that came with the frame set. I had another carbon fork, but this one is actually quite nice and fits perfectly, so on with that. Shimano brakes, aluminum crankset. I'm going to replace the kickstand later, it's just on there temporarily. Shimano brakes in back as well. The seat post from China, as well as a couple of other things. Okay, so that was the bike build and review of the Brand X RD-01 road frame set. I've been riding the bike for about 2 weeks now with no problems whatsoever. It's pretty light, 2.5 kilograms total for the frame and the fork, which for $200 is not too bad at all. I would definitely recommend the frame if you're looking for an inexpensive aluminum frame. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more content. And I'll see you next time.